Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wix and build an accessible website layout. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. You can sign up using your email address or connect through Facebook or Google. Once registered, you will be taken to the Wix dashboard. Click on Create New Site to begin your project. You will be prompted to choose a category that best fits your website. Select the category that aligns with your website goals. Next, you can choose whether to use the Wix ADI or the Wix editor. For maximum customization, select the Wix editor. Now, you'll be presented with various templates. Browse through the templates and select one that resonates with your vision. Once you choose a template, click on Edit Site to start customizing. The Wix editor will open, allowing you to modify your layout freely. To ensure accessibility, consider adding alt text to images. Click on an image, then select Settings to input descriptive alt text. Use headings appropriately to structure your content clearly. Select text elements and choose heading to improve hierarchy. Make sure color contrasts are sufficient for readability. Test different background and text colors to find a combination that works. You can also add a footer for easy navigation. Go to the bottom of the page and click on Add to include a footer. Include elements like social media icons and contact information. Regularly preview your site by clicking on Preview in the top right corner. Check for accessibility features, such as keyboard navigation. Make adjustments based on your preview checks. After finalizing your design, click on Publish to make your website live. Choose a domain name or select a free Wix subdomain. Finally, review your published site to ensure everything appears correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.